Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomparada from Bacolod City, Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write Hello World program using PHP as our programming language. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. In learning how to write a very simple PHP program, in this case Hello World, it is very important that you have already installed and run the services of your PHP. In this example, I am using XAMPP. So here, the Apache web server is already running. Actually, the MySQL is optional, but most of the time I also start the services. So for example, we can stop this one, and then we are just make the services of Apache, our web server, to be running. So let us close this one. In my text editor, I can simply write less than question mark PHP, and then I can write here very simple echo header 1 hello world, header closing of header 1, semicolon, and then close, question mark, greater than, and then we will save our work. Save as. The next step is to go with the folder of our XAMPP. Double click, select htdocs, and then I will create a folder here. New folder, let's say for example hello underscore world. This is the name of our folder. Double click, and then select here. I'm using Sublime, so let's say for example index.php. This is the file name of our script. Click the save button. We can open a web browser. In this case, I am using Google Chrome as my web browser. Actually, you can use also Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer. Okay, so localhost hello underscore world / index.php. Press the enter key. Okay, we have it. Hello world. As easy as that. So as we can see, we have already the script here. Hello world, header 1 echo, and then it displayed the result on our web browser. PHP is one of the most easiest programming language that we can use in creating web applications and database applications for the web. That's why learning PHP can open up so many opportunities in web development and software engineering job. I hope that you have learned something new in our very short video tutorials on how to create a Hello World program in PHP programming language. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomparada. Bye bye for now.